In the fast-paced world of finance, those who fail to adapt are often left behind. That's a harsh reality, isn't it? But it's not all gloom and doom. In fact, the rapidly changing landscape of personal finance presents a plethora of opportunities for savvy individuals like you. Today, we're going to take a fascinating journey into the latest trends in personal finance and how they're revolutionizing the way we invest. From the rise of fintech apps to the intrigue of cryptocurrencies, these trends are not just changing the game, they're rewriting the rule book. Along the way, we'll also explore smart investing strategies for beginners and delve into more advanced tactics for those ready to level up. We'll even tackle some common investment pitfalls to help you steer clear of potential financial landmines. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of personal finance trends. The world of personal finance is evolving at a rapid pace. As we traverse the path of financial growth, it's crucial to keep an eye on the shifting landscape. So let's dive right in and talk about the most recent trends that are shaping personal finance. First up, we have fintech apps. These digital platforms have revolutionized the way we manage our money. From budgeting tools that track your spending to investment apps that allow you to trade stocks from your smartphone, fintech is making finance more accessible and convenient than ever before. This trend is democratizing the world of personal finance, breaking down barriers and opening up new opportunities for many. Next, let's talk about sustainable investing. More and more investors are choosing to put their money where their values are, and that's leading to a boom in sustainable or ESG investing. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance, and these factors are considered alongside financial factors in the investment decision-making process. This trend shows that making money and making a positive impact can go hand in hand. And of course, we can't ignore the elephant in the room: cryptocurrencies. Digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have made a massive splash in the financial world. While they can be volatile and risky, they also offer the potential for high returns and are becoming an increasingly mainstream part of investment portfolios. These trends are not static. Rather, they are dynamic, evolving with the changing times and technologies. They can greatly influence your investment decisions, shaping where and how you choose to invest your money. For instance, the rise of fintech apps might inspire you to dip your toes into the stock market, while the growth of sustainable investing might lead you to consider ESG funds. But remember, the potential for long-term impact is key here. Fintech, sustainable investing, and cryptocurrencies are not just passing fads. They represent significant shifts in the financial landscape, reshaping the way we manage our money. By understanding and leveraging these trends, you can make smarter, more informed investment decisions that align with the future of finance. These trends are not just passing fads, but significant shifts that are reshaping the way we manage our money. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. The first step to smart investing is understanding a few basic principles. Let's break it down. 1. Know your goals. Are you saving for a house, retirement, or maybe your child's education? Identifying your financial goals will guide your investment decisions. 2. Understand that risk and return go hand in hand. Higher potential returns often come with higher risk, so it's essential to find a balance that suits your comfort level and financial goals. 3. Diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This approach can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. 4. Consider the power of compounding. This is where you earn interest on your interest. Over time, this can significantly boost your investment returns, especially if you start early and invest regularly. Now let's talk about some low-risk investment options suitable for beginners. One of the most common is index funds. These are funds that aim to replicate the performance of a specific index like the S&P 500. They offer diversification and typically have lower fees than actively managed funds. Another option is exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Like index funds, ETFs provide diversification, but they can be bought and sold throughout the trading day, offering more flexibility. Lastly, consider bonds. These are essentially loans you give to companies or governments in exchange for regular interest payments. They're generally considered lower risk than stocks, but also typically offer lower returns. Remember, the key to successful investing is starting early and investing regularly. This strategy allows you to take advantage of compounding and help smooth out the ups and downs of the market. So, even if you can only invest a small amount each month, it's worth getting started. Over time, those small investments can add up to significant wealth. Ready to take your investing game to the next level? Let's dive into the deep end of the pool and explore some advanced investment strategies. It's all about refining your approach and taking calculated risk to optimize returns. Remember, there's no magic formula for success. It's a blend of strategy, research, and continuous learning. On that note, let's talk about research and analysis. It's vital to making informed investment decisions. By digging deep into a company's financials, you can determine its profitability, growth potential, and overall health. Look at balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow reports. Understand key ratios like price to earnings and debt to equity. Now, that might sound a bit overwhelming, but don't fret. There are plenty of resources and tools to guide you. Websites like Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, and the Financial Times offer extensive market news and data. Apps like FinViz and Seeking Alpha provide stock screeners and analysis tools. Podcasts and YouTube channels offer insights from seasoned investors. Moreover, consider subscribing to financial newsletters. They can help you stay abreast of market trends and opportunities. Some popular ones include the Motley Fool Stock Advisor and Morningstar's investment newsletters. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Another critical part of advancing your investment skills is staying adaptable. Markets are dynamic, ever-changing beasts. They can be influenced by anything from a CEO's tweet to geopolitical events. So keep a close eye on the news, be ready to pivot when necessary, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Finally, consider joining an investment club or online community. These platforms offer a wealth of knowledge and can provide valuable feedback on your strategies. They can also help you gain exposure to different perspectives and strategies, further enhancing your investment skills. Investing is a lifelong learning process. Stay curious, stay informed. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and set yourself on the path to investment success. Even the most seasoned investors make mistakes. Let's delve into some of the common pitfalls that you should be aware of on your investing journey, especially if you're just starting out. Firstly, emotional investing. This is when our emotions, not our brains, guide our investment decisions. For example, when the market is booming, we might be tempted to jump on the bandwagon and invest more than we should. Conversely, when the market is in a slump, fear might cause us to sell off our investments at a loss. It's crucial to remember that investing should always be driven by sound financial analysis and long-term goals, not temporary emotions. Secondly, following the crowd. It's easy to be influenced by what others are doing, especially in today's hyper-connected world. However, just because everyone is rushing to invest in the latest hot stock or trend doesn't mean you should too. What works for one person might not work for another. Your investment decisions should always be based on your personal financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Now, let's talk about strategies for avoiding these pitfalls. One of the most effective strategies is to maintain a long-term perspective. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Short-term market fluctuations are normal and should not deter you from your long-term investment plan. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but timing the market that counts. Additionally, sticking to a well-defined investment plan is key. This plan should clearly outline your investment goals, the amount you're willing to invest, your risk tolerance, and your time horizon. Having a solid plan will help guide your investment decisions and keep you on track, even when the market gets turbulent. Last but not least, continuous learning is essential. The world of investing is constantly evolving, and staying informed about the latest trends and developments can help you make more informed investment decisions. Avoiding these common mistakes can be the difference between success and failure in investing. So take these lessons to heart and remember, every investor makes mistakes. What's important is that we learn from them and continue to grow. So, are you ready to start your investing journey? This question may seem daunting, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. We've covered some of the latest trends in personal finance, from the rise of fintech apps to the increasing importance of sustainable investing. We've also discussed some fundamental investing strategies, such as the importance of diversification and risk management. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is now. No matter your level of expertise, continuous education in personal finance is key. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, it's crucial to stay informed about market trends and opportunities, and to constantly improve your investment knowledge. Don't forget to share your investment experiences or questions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Let's embark on this exciting and rewarding journey together.